flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here too far to sky. Heard me as ash for the dog, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassing. Came out the gutter, they never me the swaggin'. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a baggin'. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Grow hard accessories whenever I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship.
Alright, so now, y'all got my hair pulled back. I know I'm looking crazy. I'm gonna take a little bit and just taste it because we're making pretty much like burritos with no beans. So just cheese, meat. I have chicken and pork, rice, salsa, taco sauce, and tortilla strips. Y'all see me put it all in. So let's see, because it's gonna go in a wrap. This shit look like it's about to be good. Boo, just let me know what time you're gonna be here, okay? Some of the kids like theirs like toasted. I like mine untoasted, so it's really your preference on that. I'm gonna put me a little jalapenos in mine. I didn't throw this in there because they have heartburn real bad. But
put a switch on and then look nigga wet. After I hit your bitch, give him the back. Ain't got no room, put a hand on the scrap. Go to the morning, gon' show you no slack. Pull a tycoon, ain't no regular cat. Took a few shrooms, I forget where I'm at. Poppin' a toast, nigga feel when it kill. She got a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here too far to sky. Heard me as ash for the dog, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I get.
Good morning, it's Thursday. And they say that today is gonna be the last day. So we've been in the house since, I think Saturday or Sunday. The dogs are out of food, the cat is out of food, so I need to go get food. I need to do one of two things. Either shampoo my hair, blow dry it and repress it, or I'm gonna take it down. So y'all probably gonna get a take down video today. I don't know what it is about me, y'all. I can wear extensions. I can wear them for quite some time, but when I'm ready to take them out, I don't care if it's 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. I'm gonna take them out. I do Egyptian or Turkish cotton. This one's Turkish. It's just a difference in how your towels feel. I ordered mine online. And just make sure you got people in your house that's respectful. That ain't gonna disrespect your shit. Yeah.
No face, moving fast cause I Uber on the way. Taking pictures, make sure you can't see no less. That we secure like the money in our safe. I look like babe, while I'm on the way. Let you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The body's starting to pull up through the gate.
Now it's wet outside, so I want something adorable. I'm probably about to pull out my Jennifer Lee boots. They give you that Uggs feel. You know, they lined with fur on the inside. I can't remember if hers is lined with mink or if it's lined with rabbit. I want to say it's mink because the outside is also mink. It's mink and crocodile. I love these boots. Kids and Beau do not like these boots. I love my boots. They are mink, patent leather, crocodile, but they have the logo on the inside. See? Baby, they so comfortable. I swear, y'all, this is not this hard to do, but my dogs are all in the way. I'm gonna spray Wanted. I don't remember the brand, but it's called Wanted, and it is perfume. I got it as a gift. It smells awesome. The bottle is super cute. You can spray it from here, or you can spray it from here because the nozzle is right there in the front. Oh Lord, my eyeball. Big lash glue, and I knew not to put it on. I said this gonna run in my eye. Just watch. Alright, Donnie, let's go. The car should be warmed up by now. Let us stop it, Lord. The floor is wet. Donnie, you cold?
Mother, look, I have on no socks.
You should have your socks on. Huh? Oh, I sure am. That's how cold it is. Shit. The person with no socks got to load all the groceries.
Why?
The person with no socks got to load the groceries. One song and here we go.
No, it's already the month, so imagine how that's gonna be.
Sonny, I'm walking on ice. I'm a baby Jesus. Yeah, Jesus walked on water. I can walk on ice. If Jesus can do it, I can too. Oh my goodness. What if somebody run up on us right now and be like, you know, we stopped down at the gas station, like, we just need $5. They be getting on my nerves to that shit. Like, I help everybody, but goddamn,
When we
shit.
went to Barnes and Nobles,
What happened?
a girl, this woman, she came up and she said, me and my children just need money. It doesn't matter how much you have. We need money. And so we gave her money thinking she was going to be one of those TikTokers that, like, you give them something and then they give you, like, $3,000. But no, she took it. It was terrible. It was terrible.
That's because you don't do stuff looking for something in return. If you do it to bless the people. Now, y'all thought y'all was going to give these people the last of your money after they hustled you because you thought she was a TikToker.
Those people exist and they bless people, and I really thought it was going to be us. It was not, though.
So the snow has melted. It's Friday. I'm sitting here editing.
1 red
Kids are in here chilling, playing the Wii. And it's a good day. So I have taken the taped ends down. 11:45. So when I get out of there, I gotta shampoo my hair. Okay. And the kids are steadily playing Mario. So shit, I'm about to take advantage of this. I made them some little faux martinis. Basically like some soda. I put them olive in there. I put them some simple syrup. No liquor, you know, a little faux martini. So, nice night. See y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. So I'm just about to have a real chill night. I'm just gonna sit up here and probably watch movies and YouTube and everything like this.
Honestly, yeah. All this Henny got me out of focus. The only thing that's clear is your motive, 'cause it's late. Girl, I know you can't wait. Know you want this now, so baby, ride my wave. Girl, I miss those lips. I know you miss this. Love it when you slow wine, baby. I get tunnel vision with your hips. I've been looking for love, now I can't get enough. I'ma need more than a hit back.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Today is one of those days when you just wake up, you start getting yourself together, and you don't know how you're gonna look or what you're gonna look like. But I know I don't feel like doing a weave or a wig today. I'm gonna save that for tomorrow when my energy is better. So today I'm just gonna do a simple, in the house, natural hairstyle. It might be wind up being a bun, might wind up being a little braided ponytail. That's what it's gonna be. It's really that simple, just a sleek back bun. Another thing you can quickly do is, I don't have any in here, but if you have hairspray, not spritz, not oil sheen, but hairspray, and you want to just tame your brows, spray some hairspray on a brush or on a little comb and just comb through your brows. It will hold your brows in place instead of using brow gel. I slept in my mink sleeping mask last night. It's just so comfortable. I got this one from Overland. Nope, I got this one from Fur World. Fur World, I think that's what it is. I thought I got this one from Overland. I got the girls ones from Overland's and they have rabbit, but this one is mink. Well, one of them have mink and the other two have rabbit. Oh, so comfortable, y'all. So comfortable. So comfortable. So I'm about to hang it up because I'm gonna use it again tonight. So let me show y'all the bag and the shoe for today. So these are my I Am Jennifer Lee shoes. They come up around the ankle, baby. They are gorgeous. Lambskin on the insole, mink all the way around the shoe, crystals. I think it's Australian crystals. I cannot remember. I got my mink bag with embossed croc on the back and the sides. And look at that girl. She got feet. She has feet. Gold hardware at the top. Just bomb. The kids and Beau got the room so out of order, but this is the outfit that I chose to go with for today. Okay. Fashion over on the jeans. I forget whose shirt, but it just says way too wifey to be treated ordinary. Y'all better fucking know. Y'all better fucking know. Y'all better not play with me. And then my purse and my shoes. Love yourself. I know I do. Y'all heard that intro, and if you have not heard my intro, here it go. Opinions only break you when you don't walk in your purpose. Manifest your legacy gems. I know I am. Because for some reason, y'all like to click off the first 30 seconds. But I got something for that ass. I was about to put on my Jennifer Beer headband, right? But when I thought about it, my accessories are all gold. Although I have on crystals, my hardware and stuff is gold. So super cute. Super, super, super cute. She even has the name on the inside. Let me put it on and show it to y'all. Super cute, right? Especially with my little bun. Is that a better angle? But it is not gonna match with my purse and everything else. So, another day. Today I'm gonna mix two that I think may go good. It's the Irresistible by Givenchy and Beautiful Magnolia. Because this one is the lighter. You know what? You know how I always tell y'all that Chanel is I buy this pink Chanel, the one that I mix with everything. I might start doing the same thing with this Beautiful Magnolia because they are both so soft that they just go great with mixing other things. All right. Irresistible is everything. You can truly wear it by yourself. But I think I'm going to mix it with my Magnolia today and just see. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my God, y'all. Bitch. I love this one by itself, so that's why I would say I probably won't use it as a mixer, but I might start and just see how I like it in conjunction with my other fragrances. But these two right here, nigga, friend. I legit came in here for like one thing, and I'm leaving out with a basket full of books. Morning, y'all. So I'm up this morning, doing a little bit of laundry that we had left over. Watched the Grammys last night with my oldest daughter. Very, very entertaining. Very, very, very entertaining. I was very pleased this year with the Grammys. They're talking about everything on the news this morning. Yeah, I thought that was pretty neat that the DeSoto choir director won a Grammy. That was pretty cool. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!